Hey guys, welcome to the channel. In this video I will show you how to transfer USDT from Revolut to Bitget. Firstly, launch the Revolut app on your phone and log in. Go to the crypto section from the main menu. After that, in the crypto section, locate USDT from your list of assets. Tap on Send, depending on your app version. After that, launch the Bitget application on your device, depending on what you're using, of course. Go to the Assets tab. After that, tap on Deposit. Select USDT from the list of supported cryptocurrencies. Choose the network. Bitget will show multiple network options. Carefully select the same network on both Revolut and Bitget to avoid losing funds. This is very crucial. After selecting the network on Bitget, copy the displayed deposit address. After that, of course, go back to the Revolut and paste the Bitget deposit address in the recipient field. And after that, enter the amount of USDT you want to send, review the transaction details and confirm the transfer. On Bitget, go to the Assets tab and check your deposit history for confirmation. USDT transfers may take a few minutes to process, depending on network congestion. Always verify addresses and networks before confirming transfers to avoid losing your crypto. Enjoy, guys. Hopefully this helps you out. Press like and subscribe. See you in the next video.